Guys, okay, so we're day 3 here. This is another adventure in the pouring rain. We're at Lake Batur and it's the lake is there. We were going to get on a canoe and go on the lake to a temple, but we're going to just carry on in our nice cozy bus. So anyway, this is an adventure. Everyone's here now. We've got 8 people from our community here and having a great time so far. So hope you're well, and I'll just leave you with a little view of our mysterious lake, which is invisible.
What do they have? What they carry? That is the offering. Offering, yeah. Okay. I will tell you.
Okay, this is an extraordinary temple and the doors are incredible. I'm just going to take a picture as best I can in this rain, but wow, what an amazing place. Okay guys, it's time for an update. So it's day 3, we're in Bali. Everybody is here from our 16Me community and we are in the rain. It's been raining non-stop since we got here, but you know, there's something about the rain. I'm gonna have to put my little hood up in a second, but Bali is so lush anyway, but this rain just brings everything to life. It's incredible, and I hope that you're enjoying these pictures. I'm not a tour guide, so I'm not very specific and precise with the kind of things I'm seeing, but all I can tell you is that these flowers are remarkable, and Bali is beautiful despite the rain. And in fact, I think that the rain energizes you. It makes you feel like you're connected to nature and you're connected to the world and you appreciate everything that you've got. So yeah, we're onward to the strawberry farm this afternoon. We're going to get to pick strawberries, but then back into town. But oh, no, it's been an amazing journey. I hope you've enjoyed being taken along on the trip with us, and it's a little chaotic, but good fun. To a boot. Okay,
Okay, Margaret?
Okay.
Okay, just flood it. Okay, you can put in the hole.
I put it in the hole.
In the hole.
Strawberry.
Okay.
In the hole.
So this is the first in the land
Look at
here.
this, it's so cool. Okay, do I need to just pat it
Okay,
down or do
again.
anything? Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I hope we can.
Make some space for that one. Oh my gosh, this is lovely. Okay.
This is another.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does it matter where I put it? Anywhere, yeah? Here?
Yeah, you can put anywhere.
I love it.
So we help them.
Oh, this is wonderful. You know, the earth is warm and it feels good. I'm really...
Okay, again.
Okay. Oh, I gotta keep going. Okay,
Yeah.
excuse me. He's a hard worker here, hard boss here.
Yeah, farmer is
Dig,
hard working,
dig.
you know. Margaret.
Dig, dig, dig.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm working on it. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's a little bit, he needs more dirt.
Okay,
There we
another.
go. Okay, he goes in here. Yay.
And when can we have this?
Oh my God.
Soon. This is soon.
Oh, I'm...
So now,
This is
This
hard.
is soon. For example, like this.
yeah.
Less than a week they have already.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Take a look at this.
Okay.
This is cool.
Because this is already big,
Beautiful.
we just collect here and then put here, spread here.
Okay, little plant, you're gonna grow lots of strawberries. Show them how it's done. Okay. Cool. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that it? I'm done. Woo!
Yeah, that is great, right?